welcome back to my channel, Nikki's Journey 2.0. So now for today's video, we're gonna go to the garden and harvest some corn and onions. Say we're going to the garden with our look at chicken. Yeah. So guys, we are at the garden and we need to like that. So there is some small zucchini. We're gonna do some picking. I think it is not really good, but we need to take off because we will not be here next week. Anything, it looks like there is nothing. No, there is nothing na guys. Empty na. Empty na ang atong mais. It's empty. So we have just 3. And then I need also to pick up some what is the onions. Gamaya kuning watermelon. Luyas watermelon. Very small. We need to pick up some onions, guys. Here. So here. Wala. Oh, wala. 4, 5. Good. Here is some kuan that is not sick. We're gonna pick up because we can use it. It's not kuan. And here is some onions. I know. Small but terrible. Small but terrible. Here is our onions. So we're gonna harvest. Oh, it's bigger. It's big. And then yeah, sorry, It's very small, so we put back. Maybe it will die, but and then here is a little bit. No, oh, it's big, and here is small. Very small. So it's nothing na, nothing to harvest na here. So we have that. We have the sibuyas. It will not die. I mean, so we are finished harvesting our mais, and there is no more mais na. Next season mais corn season na pod, guys. Hi. So it's good. I will cook mais na. See, I have a lot of harvest onions. Not really a lot, but so we're gonna have to sit here. Kay magsugod na ta sa ato ang, we're gonna like peel off the skin. Here is our, now it's good. It's good, guys. So this we're gonna just put here. We have this one. It's the last piece of corn. So next week, guys, I will be in the Philippines. That's why I harvest all this mais. And then to see my children. The last piece of the mais. Huh. So we have just 3 pieces of missing. Oh, I will pick off this before I go. This one. This is a habol. I think I will gonna bring this, I don't know, Philippines. We have our is here. So guys, we will cook this corn and eat later.